Hey guys, today we're going to find out if you can send money from Temu to Gcash. So let's get into it. As you can see, I'm currently logged into my Temu account. From here, I'll go ahead and click on credit balance, which takes me to the page showing how much money I have in my Temu wallet. So right now my balance is 0. But even if you do have money in your Temu wallet, you'll notice that there's no option to withdraw it. This means that you can transfer money from Temu directly to Gcash. Temu doesn't currently support direct withdrawals or transfers to Gcash. In some cases, you might be able to use Temu credits to purchase things like PayPal gift cards or other options available in the app. But again, there's no direct method to send money to Gcash from Temu, and that's pretty much it. Now, you know the limitations when it comes to sending money from Temu to Gcash. Thanks for watching.